Did you know that the majority of fire deaths happen in homes where there's either no smoke alarms or no working smoke alarms? We're going to provide you with some important safety information to help you protect your family in the event that you have a fire in your home. Install smoke alarms on every level of your home, inside each bedroom and outside each sleeping area. And interconnect your alarms so if one sounds, they all sound. Another important safety tip is to test your smoke alarms each month. This can be done with the simple push of a button. If your alarm doesn't sound when you push the test button, check the batteries. They may need to be replaced. And if it doesn't work after that, you may need to replace the entire unit. And if your smoke alarms are more than 10 years old, it's time for new ones. Most people don't know that there are two types of smoke alarm technology. There's ionization, which typically responds quicker to a flaming fire. And then there's photoelectric, which typically responds quicker to a smoldering fire. For best protection, you want both technologies in your home. And you can do that by installing units that have a combination of both technologies in the same device, or by purchasing individual units with each type of technology.
Hey guys, this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. I want to talk a little bit today about the video you just saw, uh, smoke detectors in the home. That is a very important piece of equipment that you can have to protect your investment and protect your loved ones. Fire is no joke. Fire, every year there are so many fires, so much damage, so much loss of life. And the smoke detector really does work. That's the whole sad part of that. You really can so many tragedies if you have properly working smoke detectors. And that's the key. You really do need to check them. And yes, I mean, there's an investment you need to make. But I mean, obviously, nobody's going to debate having that save your life and the property. You certainly can justify that. But as a public adjuster, that is just so important, and that's something that we want to see you have, just like we want to see you have properly or have proper protection on your insurance policy. I'm sorry. Uh, that is something that is so very important too. You need to be protected for all types of situations and have the proper coverage. So there's where we can come in and help you. And in the event that you do have a loss, and perhaps you lose a room or the garage or the kitchen fire that starts out. Um, as a public adjuster, we will certainly look after all your needs, not only taking care of the building. The first priority is taking care of you and your family. What needs to be done when this thing first happens? That's the priority, not how I'm going to be able to help you and get things rebuilt, and we're going to get your contents and we're going to get. No. The first thing is we need to take care of you for that specific instant. How is everybody? Um, the other things will fall into place. Your whole life has just been turned upside down. You don't know where you're headed. It's a very traumatic thing, and I've never gone through it. Uh, I hope I never do. I wish that no one else would have to, but we know statistically that's not possible. But if something does happen, please, I would want you to know that you can rely on me and our staff to take care of you and to protect your future there to the nth degree. Guys, this is Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. I hope you learned something here. Please take smoke alarm safety extremely seriously. Uh, I want you guys to have a great summer, what's left of it, and we're going to be going to fire prevention season, and make sure we check those, change the batteries, or replace. Thank you very much for listening, and God bless you.